Hello guys, I came today, although I don't feel like it at all. I'm not feeling very sparky today, but I promised myself that I will record a video every day if I'm still standing, about my experience with this little frequency, vibrational frequency device, which, if you know, my experience, my day-to-day experience could help, potentially may help a lot of people with their health issues. So what I'm talking about here is a little device that works with your energetic field to help to relieve some health symptoms. It's a medical device in Germany that's supposed to help to relieve symptoms of fibromyalgia. This is what I've got: depression, stress, and sleep issues, as well as all sorts of other health problems. People who my friends on Facebook and family know how what issue I've been going through the past few years, and sort of feel very run down and tired all the time and in pain and things like that. I kind of feel I'd run into a wall, because for me, right there at this moment, there's no really help. I can do pain medications or antidepressants, but I feel it's just temporary, and once you start taking all this stuff, chemicals, you're probably damaging something else. So I'm trying to hold off this at the moment. And I wasn't looking for anything really, but it kind of fell on my lap. About a month ago, my friend and a lady who worked with energy worker who I worked in the past, because I was interested in energy fields and things like that, and I kind of understand it, and I do believe everything is energy. So she knew what I was going through, because she was trying to help me. About a month ago, she contacted me and said, "Well, look, I got this exciting little device that you may want to look into." So I completely trust her. I wouldn't bother otherwise. If I just saw, like probably many of you, if you just see something, on the internet, you wouldn't bother to look back, because I know this lady and completely trust her. She's very intuitive. So yeah, I started looking into it. I was, reading, watching videos, reading testimonials. There's a couple groups about this, where people post these testimonials, and the stuff that's said there is quite impressive, amazing, miraculous, I would say. So I think this is a beginning of something quite big in medical field, because frankly we need a change. Some breakthrough. What it reminded me of, a few years back, or probably longer, I saw a science fiction film, some aliens, I can't really remember now, but what I remember very clearly, when an alien came to a human on Earth, and seeing the human has cancer, and they're dying, and he said, well, this is needing to be. So he cleared that human of his illness, which is energy. And what struck me then, I didn't feel it was something, even at the time, I don't think there was anything like this. So I didn't feel it was something being science fiction. I thought it's very much possible. Um, you know, I don't know why, but I did. Um, Always thought, well, this is must be the future of, you know, all the how people can just rid themselves of any medical condition just with energy, because everything is energy. So and then this device came into my my reality, and this is I don't know, this just resonates with me so much, and I think this is gonna be big, um, you know. So I'm gonna record my experience with this device. As I said, I try to do it every day. I haven't got the device yet. I don't know. It's become, you know, quite popular because there's lots of people with needing help. Um, so once I have it, I will try to pop online here every day and record my feelings, my experiences, because I have a lot of symptoms, and even if it helps me with one, it's gonna be incredible. Without, you know, without any pain medications or any chemicals or anything like that, if it helps with one symptom, I'll be impressed. So yeah, that's my first video, obviously, to introduce the page. Um, so yeah, this is what I was gonna say today. Take care, everybody. Bye.